Hello students, today we are going to discuss two important organisms from chapter The Cell of class 6th biology. So you can see here in the first figure you can see this is amoeba, and here in the second figure you can see it is Chlamydomonas. Both of these organisms, they are unicellular, means their body in itself comprises of a single cell. So amoeba, you can see the structure of the amoeba, it is irregular. The shape of the body of the amoeba, it is not fixed, and it keeps on changing continuously. Now the body of amoeba, it have some projections, like you can see here, these are the projections, and these projections, these are known as pseudopodia. So other name for pseudopodia is false feet. So with the help of these pseudopodia, the amoeba, it moves slowly. And also the other function of this pseudopodia is it helps amoeba to catch its prey. And then what happens, once it catches its food, so it forms a vacuole around the food. Suppose this is the food particle, it forms a vacuole around the food, and then digest this food. So here you can see this is the shape, or this is the structure of the amoeba, and already I have told you that amoeba, they do not have a fixed shape. It moves with the help of pseudopodia, as well as the pseudopodia, it helps amoeba to catch its food or its prey. Second is Chlamydomonas. Students, this Chlamydomonas, it is unicellular alga. So it basically it occurs in many varieties or many forms. Some of them are free floating, some of them are freshwater. So these are the characteristics of this Chlamydomonas. The plant body is unicellular and biflagellate. Means the body is made up of single cell, and it have two flagella, hair-like structures. This you can see here. These are known as flagella. So the protoplasm of the cell is always surrounded by a thin cellulose wall. So protoplasm, you all know, it is a liquid substance, living substance, which is present inside the cell. So it is always surrounded by a wall which is made up of cellulose. So a pair of flagella of equal size, you can see here, these hair-like structures, these are known as flagella. And with the help of these flagella, it moves. And two contractile vacuoles are present. Vacuoles are round bodies. So two contractile vacuoles are present inside this cell, and it contains a single nucleus suspended in colorless portion of the cytoplasm. Only a single nucleus is present, that is also it is suspended in the cytoplasm. So these are the two unicellular organisms from the chapter cell.